Today we're doing, is it a fit or is she just skinny? But we're questioning my outfits and putting them on my 7-month pregnant self. This is all just like in good fun, kind of seeing if I did rely on my body a lot back then for my outfits to look good. I always talk about how I don't really care about showing my figure, stuff like that. So I really had to find outfits that I think my body was a part of the outfit. And honestly, I have high hopes for today because I think I look cute. I think my body is cute and I like my bump. It's just a matter of these clothes fitting. So we have a little bit of altercations because I can't wear the same exact clothes, obviously. But yeah, it's just a fun video to see these outfits on the same person with different body. Not supposed to be taken seriously. And if anything, I feel like it's gonna be good vibes. Let's get into it. Had to do a disclaimer because anytime talking about weight and bodies, I know that it can get touchy. But seriously, guys, I embrace this weight gain. I embrace what my body looks like after, how it changes. I don't care. This is a safe space. Let's do it. First outfit is one of my favorites. It's this. This is one of the few outfits with lots of belly. Anytime I wear this shirt, it's lots of belly. I don't have this exact shirt because it'd be too small, but I have a very similar one that will fit over these boobs. So let's do it. This could be the last outfits video for a while because it's just so hard to get dressed right now. I really can't bend forward. When I put on my shoes, I have to lean back or put my foot up on something. If I was to wear an outfit like this, I'd wear it with this shirt. I'm not somebody who loves my tummy out completely when I'm pregnant. I don't mind a little bit showing. I'm just more comfortable with it out. But let's do the outfit. Is it a fit or is she just skinny? This outfit is still really cute. And I'm somebody who thinks the bump is cute. So maybe we're playing not fair, but obviously the rest of my body looks different as well. And I think that this outfit looks adorable. I think any tummy sticking out is cute. And just this style peplum top with jeans is so classic. And then even these vintage Doc Martens. I love this look together. I think it's a fit. Next look, I'm nervous about the skirt. So let's just see what we can do. I did want to point out, I think I'm at both an advantage and a disadvantage because the advantage is just a pregnant belly is cute, but these clothes aren't made for this size of my body. So I feel it's kind of unfair if I'm basing it just on clothes being ill-fitting because I obviously can't get these clothes in a bigger size. Most of them are vintage or just old. This skirt is criminally small. I'm just not comfortable in it like this. Being stretched out so much wider, so it's getting shorter. And my boots barely fit up my thighs. I wish I had another brown skirt to give this outfit a better chance, but I have one other way I'm gonna wear it, so we'll see. It's mostly just about the colors, I think. To me, I rarely focus on silhouette as the main point of my outfit, or I guess hourglass silhouette, I would say. So I feel I'm gonna do pretty well. Now, this skirt is obviously just way too small. So that's not fair, but I think if this skirt was a little bit bigger, longer and bigger, this is a small and I'm very much an extra large right now in the booty area. Am I crazy for thinking it's still a fit? Try it with the jacket as well. Also filming all these for Instagram and TikTok. I've been posting way more short form, so make sure to follow me there if you guys want. They also make it to YouTube shorts, but whatever. Where is that jacket? Oh, it's right here. This is my favorite jacket ever while pregnant. I wish it was warmer out so I could actually wear it because it's 8 degrees outside today and that's not with wind chill. It's literally negative something. This is playing a bit more fair because you can't tell that I'm pregnant. I wish, again, my skirt was just a little longer because it's just too small. All these pieces together, I think it's a fit. I'm pretty proud of myself. I wish I had more outfits to do. I still have more to do, but I just mean in total because I think this is a fun video, but also some things it's I just know certain dresses wouldn't get on my body, and I really do dress so baggy clothing everywhere all the time that it doesn't fall into the is it a fit or is she just skinny. I think the way to kind of spot the difference is if somebody's using their body as a piece in the outfit. Your tummy, your boobs, your butt, your legs, the silhouette, an itty bitty waist, whatever, but it can still look good on any body types for these ones. I think most of them can, but you get the point. And sometimes when people do, is it a fit or is she just skinny? They're just fugly outfits to begin with. And like, what do you want there? It was never a fit. This one is very much just about the body. It's this picture, all black, tight clothes. That top doesn't fit and I'm not risking ripping it because it's Vivienne Westwood, but we've got a long sleeve option. Let's try it out. Okay, I don't think I love this one. I can't see. I do not love this. This might be the first flop, but like even with my old body, when I wear capris, I still like feel this way sometimes and it takes a bit of like adjusting and also just like leaving the house and not looking at yourself. From the side, it's cute. I think it's because these are the pants that I'm wearing in that photo and they're way too tight obviously and they're like cutting in and I can't really pull them much higher to fix it. Whew. But this is the outfit. I think with like the right accessories and, you know, a little bit styled, like there, I think that's better. It was just like on its own, it felt a little bit too much like athletic wear. And I feel like that's how it felt before. So I think that this is still a fit. I think it's really cute. It's way too tight though. I feel like putting my pictures side by side, you will see obviously like how much gain I've weighted or what, how much weight I've gained. And literally today at the doctor, the nurse who was drawing my blood, she was like, oh my gosh, you carry so well, like you're tiny, looking at my tummy. And I was like, yeah, it all goes to my butt and thighs. She kind of laughed, being like, I was like, I've gained 50 pounds already. And then she looked at me like, huh? And it's so true. Like my tummy always stays kind of small. So people are like, oh my gosh, you're tiny. And I'm like, from the back, which is fine. Again, I'm not saying I care. It's just like, that's how I carry my weight during pregnancy. And last time it all fell off, but we'll see this time. It's cute. It's cute with my hair too, being so short. Will I wear it right now? No, because these pants are too tight and it's 8 degrees outside. The way none of my pants fit now, because I've also am bigger from the last time I was pregnant, and like the pants I was wearing at 9 months pregnant don't fit me now and didn't even last month. I actually had to like place an order on Old Navy for stretchy pants because like what's a girl to do? I couldn't leave the house one day because I didn't have pants. Like Brandon's pants don't fit me. Next fit. Don't think this one's gonna fit. Next fit won't fit. Everything from this look gets on. I won't say it fits because this skirt is completely unzipped. It's got it like zipped halfway and tucked. This is totally a fit. I love this outfit so much. It's like my go-to. This top is actually from Revolve and I wear it backwards and I think it looks so cute like that. It's way too tight on my arms right now, but I think if I wore it, I could stretch it out. This skirt's one of my favorites from Whatnot, and then my Cezanne boot. I'm so out of breath, you guys, I'm sorry. I feel like I've just been not inclined to make YouTube videos because I normally do outfits for you guys, and like, I can't breathe. So how the heck am I supposed to do outfits? But here it is. This is totally a fit. It's so cute. Flattering, I guess. It's just cute. It doesn't have to be flattering. It's just cute. I love it. Okay, last outfit is one of my favorites in the summertime. I wear it all the time. I think it's also cute on its own. Let's see how it looks. This is why I wasn't afraid to do this video because I was pretty confident that these looks would be cute. No matter the body type, they're just cute. And if anything, it gives kind of like a pat on the back to my styling that, I don't know, but whatever. Oh, I don't think I grabbed the shorts. I gotta go grab them. Prepare for me to be out of breath. I just tried to put on this Peachy Den outfit. I can't risk ripping the pants because so much, but they literally won't get over my ass. So I really tried. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just silly, fun, lighthearted, and maybe gives you inspo to try outfits that you don't think would look good on your body or comfortable in. You know, vice versa also. Try any look on Pinterest, no matter what the person looks like, no matter their body type. Try it with what you have in your closet, and I bet it could still work as really great inspo for you. So I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.